How to stop blue mark in WhatsApp on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the WhatsApp Communities page. Communities bring members together in topic-based groups. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Settings. Go to Privacy as shown. From here, scroll down and turn off the Read Receipt switch. If you turn off Read Receipts, then you won't be able to see read receipts from other people. You have now enhanced your privacy on the app. This way, you get more control over your experience with the app and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily stop blue mark in WhatsApp on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.